So for my next maker project, I'm going to make a branding iron. And I'm going to start out by annealing some wire by heating it with the propane torch. And this will make it softer so it's easy to bend. Once the material cools off enough so I can bend it, I put it into my homemade bender and I start making some pieces that look like my initials, that start to look like my name, and I can cut these off and start making the pieces that will make the letters for my branding iron. Once I've got that done, I can start welding some of the pieces together and add a cup at the top for my handle. So once I was done with making the branding iron itself, I made myself a nice handle out of a piece of wooden dowel, and I stained it Sedona red from Minwax, and I used a nice little coat of varnish from Total Boat, the Halcyon Clear. It's really nice stuff. It's very shiny, goes on smooth, levels out really well. I really like this stuff. So once I got the handle fitted, it worked out pretty well. I don't think I need a pin or anything to hold it in. It fits pretty tightly, and it looks kind of nice. Looks like a whisk from the kitchen. Anyway, I tested it out, made a couple of tests, worked out pretty well. I took my best sample and I cut it off the long piece and I put a little varnish on it, cleaned it up, and that's it. So that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next one.